Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get your Twilio account SID and Auth token. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your Twilio account by going to console.twilio.com and entering your credentials. Once logged in, you'll land on the Twilio dashboard. This is the main hub where you manage your account settings, usage, and essential information. On the dashboard, look for the Account Info panel. Here you'll find your account's ID, which is a 34-character string starting with AC. This identifier is always visible and is used for API calls and other Twilio services. Simply copy it when needed. Next, you'll need your auth token. Unlike the SID, the token is hidden for security reasons. In the same section, click the small eye icon next to auth token to reveal it. Be careful with this information as it grants access to your account. Share it only with trusted sources or keep it secure in your development environment. So that's basically how you can get your Twilio account SID and auth token. That's it for this video. Thanks.